Yeah.
Yeah, before it was just 6 months.
Hmm.
So we did the last repair on July 1st. The next repair is due January 1st. And then we have a buffer in because that just the cycle or the timing just kicks off a work order.
Hmm.
And then we have a window on when it's convenient. Once the work order is kicked off, do we schedule the maintenance?
So the work order pops up based on the meter readings, and then in your weekly meeting, you guys are looking through the priorities and then figuring out how to schedule it.
Exactly. Yeah. So if we happen to hit, if our cycles every 50 million cycles, we need to do the maintenance. We don't run out there right when it hits 50 million and one and turn the machine off, but it triggers the work order so we know when it's coming up. And it does give us, doing cycles instead of time, it just gives us more precise information, because if it really is a wear component that wears every million cycles and we're just doing it based on time, well, if we had a great production month or a poor production volume month, that could change the timing quite a bit. And I can see it, we just started, but I could see it over the course of years time frame really having an impact.